see a few Cambodians who are taking ample time to reflect in a Buddhist temple. And regardless of the location, it's a process that all of us need to participate in, that feeling of reflection, whether as scientists or as people. We got to look at ourselves and ask some of the larger questions.
As we get started here, you can see 6 robots all fighting for control of this initial rush of balls, and there's definitely a lot of robot v robot action that happens in these first couple of seconds. But yes, teamed up with Team Cambodia, we have Germany and Peru representing the Hydro Alliance, and on Aqua we have Oman, Pakistan, and Laos.
So if we get the telestrator focused over on that right side of the screen right now where I think Team Germany is, I want to look at their robot for a couple of seconds here. They've got a pretty interesting mechanism towards the back that they used, again, that plastic filament for. If we get highlighted in on Germany, as I'm going to get there in a couple of seconds with the spotlight, you can see towards the back of that robot is actually a kind of hanging basket that they've got. So they end up flipping everything over and then putting it right into the back end. Right there you can see a couple of those balls that are sitting behind, and hopefully they can get them out just in enough time with, again, the fleeting moments that we've got in only a 2.5-minute game. It's a great shot right there as we clear the telestrator, showing what this robot is capable of doing. The speed of that top spinner right now is trying to flip those balls into that back little bag that it's got towards the back.
Yeah, but it looks like they might have a little bit of a backup. As you can see, a couple balls might pop out of the robot, which is unfortunately not what you want. But right here you can see, hopefully they're going to switch the direction of those spinners and drop them all off as they empty that net right there.
That's a great job by them, even though they're starting to climb in terms of getting that lead up. We also have on the opposite side of the field, because you see that yellow bar in the middle starting to work its way up, there are contaminant balls that are getting flooded into that lab. If we can get back on the bridge, we want to see what team was responsible for that. But a great job by the Aqua Alliance. Good job by them to get those 10 balls through. So as a community of 6 different competitors on this field, they stop the contaminants from flowing. Let's see if they'll be the first team to try to actually get all those contaminants out of the river and get that cooperation bonus of 15 points that everyone up until now has been missing out on.
So now that they've stopped the flood of contaminant particles, they will have to remove all of the other contaminants from the river. So they're no longer in that silver spot at the end of the match. They'll get the 15-point bonus.
Makes it pretty hard when you've got those little inclines on both sides of that riverbank, I gotta imagine.
And as we hit these last 10 seconds, teams are beginning to lift their robots into the air to prepare for the oncoming flood and gain 20 points per hanging robot. We have 1 from Team Aqua, and I believe next to it we have a second all up in the air. And as we get the final score up from that match, congratulations to Team Aqua for winning that 102-83. Fortunately, the points for every round is cumulative, so I think 83 is also a very good score to have right now.
48 contaminant points, that's the most we've seen getting in that side of the spectrum today. Good job by them, and we got a pit interview.